In this video tutorial, we are going to understand basic concept of how to apply dual dimension in AutoCAD. So just enter D. Here we can see the dimension style. Just modify it and select the alternate unit and just click display alternate unit. So we have a multiply factor over here. Let's consider our dimension are in inch, so we have to convert it into the mm. So multiply factor for the inch to mm is 25.4. Okay, uh, here I will apply this suffix as a this symbol and alternative unit suffix as a mm and okay. So this is our dimension in inch and this is in mm. So like that we can able to apply the dual dimension. Now we have to remove this unwanted zero. Dimension style, modify alternate unit and tailing zero active and okay. Now let's consider our main dimension are in inch and we have to convert this dimension into feet. So just enter D. Our main dimension are in inch, double inverted comma alternate unit, so inch to mm. Simple calculation, 1 by 12, 0.08333. So our multiply factor is 0.08333 in feet. Okay, close. So this is inch and this is the feet. So like that we can able to apply dual dimension in AutoCAD. Thank you.